Model, 2016 plate Renault Trafic Vivaro LL29 Sport Energy 1.6 DCI non-runner No Vat. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 124171. Engine, 1598 cc R9M ENERGY 120E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and want turnover, bottom end bearings are knocking. So the engine will need repairing or replacing. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, start-stop, alloy wheels. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 5,800.